So we're back in COD, and this time we're playing headquarters. Basically, you have to locate the headquarters and secure it. It's a different format which I haven't played before. I'm the shotgun guy. Basically, I use the shotgun because it deals a lot of damage. So I just run into the enemy and kill the enemy. That's what I'm good at. Plus, I'm too impatient to, wait for the enemy to die. So it's just like I one-shot each and every person. Let's see, whatever. Okay, here we go. Special Forces Space. Okay, there's the first enemy. Let's see. Just one-shot him, yep. So satisfying to one-shot a person, right? That's why I use shotguns. Okay, let's just locate the HQ. Just keep running. That decreases the probability of getting shot. Okay, let's see. There's the HQ, but there are enemies over there. I think I saw somebody. Yep, there he is. Oh, damn it. You have to destroy. Yep. I don't want the kill cam. Okay, let's go. Okay, there's the HQ. Oh, they've secured the top. I think we're gonna get killed. Can I climb this thing? I don't think I can. I can. There. Yup, gone. HQ is with us, but we're losing. Apparently, why? Oh, there's this guy. Okay, let's one-shot him too. He's dead. Okay, health is dangerously low. Let's just run around and wait for regeneration. Control the HQ location. Okay, oh, there they are. I'll one-shot you. I'll one-shot you and you. See, it's so useful. Okay, there he is.
Okay.
Yep, he's gone too. There's the next guy. It's just... Oh no. I was on a streak, damn it. Okay, let's go again. There he is. He's dead. There's the next guy. The glowing red patches make it really handy, or else it's so difficult to distinguish who the other person is. We're losing. Wait, let's see. There's the HQ. Yep, it's heavily defended. Let's see. One shot. Oh, both of them. Okay, respawn disable. I don't know what that. Okay, let's just kill him. Okay, finally. Basically, just charge at the person and hope that he doesn't have a strong enough gun. Right? Who's shooting? Okay, they're there. Let's just one shot him. Yep, one shot. I'll one shot you too. One shot. Yep. One shot, 3 kill, 1 kill. Yep, yes. 26, 27. We are gaining on them. We can win this. I'm the shotgun guy. Okay, let's see. Let's go upstairs. I'll guard the entrance, right? Whenever someone comes. Or maybe not. Maybe let's see. Let's see what's going on. Okay, I can see an enemy outside. Let's just one-shot him outside. He's not coming inside, is he? Okay. He's guarding. Naveen's guarding the post. Someone's behind me. Oh, there he is. Yep. Oh, there's someone on the... Oh, they're guarding the HQ. Okay, yep. Killed him. Oof. That was quite... adrenaline pumping. Okay. Let's load and hope no one sneaks upon us. There, you did sneak upon us. Thank God he's dead. Okay. Oh, this guy again. Okay, you're dead. Where's the other person? Okay, he's dead too. Okay, let's look for our next target. I don't know what's going on though. Respawn disable. Maybe we'll die like permanently after this. I don't know. Oh, let's just one shot him. No, I don't wanna die. I'll one shot you. There's the next guy. I one shot him too. There's the next. Oh shit. When did he come? Okay. Without wasting much time. I think my camps as a respawn disable. Yep, so we are on someone else's camera. And why is this person just swiveling around? Would you even shoot with this fancy schmancy gun? He just... This is so irritating. He's not even doing anything. If a guy like me comes in this room with a shotgun, he's just gonna one-shot everyone. Oh, 100. Yep, we won. Thank God for that. I was wondering whether every time you're special forces, every time you lose, you're the guerrilla forces. I don't know. Oh, this is the final kill cam. Who is it? Oh, this guy. He's pretty good. Yep. So let's see the results. Let's wait for the results. Oh, look who's in number 2. It's me. Finally. Shotgun guy. Okay.
Mission accomplished. Good work.
Thank you, sir. XP has increased. I am on level 17. What's that? Is that scope? Okay, anyways, that's all for today. Bye.